This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your data is safely backed up, then head straight to the Settings app. Navigate to General and open iPhone Storage. This lists downloaded system files and the current iOS update package. Once you see the iOS update entry, tap it to view options. You'll select Delete Update to remove the downloaded installer. This clears the on-device package without changing your installed iOS version, so you avoid an accidental install while preserving your apps and data. If you don't see the update in iPhone storage, you may have a profile preventing removal. Go to General and open VPN and Device Management. Remove any iOS beta or configuration profiles to stop future downloads. Once removed, restart your iPhone to clear temporary caches and force the system to reevaluate stored installers. After the reboot, return to iPhone storage or software update to confirm the update is gone. If the system still shows a pending update, offload large apps to free space and repeat the check. You finish by restarting the device and confirming the update no longer appears under Software Update. This ensures the installer was fully cleared. Make sure to disable automatic updates so iOS won't redownload. Go to Software Update, open Automatic Updates, and turn it off. If the delete action fails or the update keeps reappearing, try a force restart. If that still doesn't work, connect to Finder or iTunes and use DFU Restore as a last resort to remove stubborn installer files. One tip: always keep a recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.